Hi everyone, Tyler here from TW-Waytek. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up a data gateway in Power Automate. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is log into Power Automate and then go to Data and then Gateway. Create a new gateway since I already have one. And then from this page here, we're going to just want to download that. And then let's open the exe file. You can change where you want the gateway installed. I'm not going to change it. We'll accept the terms and we'll just go ahead and start the installation on that. So now we're just waiting for it to fully install. So let's just say OK on the next screen. And then it's going to ask us to provide an email address for the gateway. So we'll just put in my email, go ahead and sign in. Select your Windows account. So we're going to register a new gateway on this computer. So let's give it a distinct name. Call it TW-Waytek. Gateway 2. We can add to an existing cluster, but so if you have multiple gateways, you can add them into a cluster, which will give you essentially redundancy if one gateway is compromised. Then we have to provide a recovery key. We'll enter it again, and then we'll configure it. And then that will provision the gateway. So everything looks good. We have the gateway, and you can close that down. And then if you ever want to just go back to your gateway, you can just refresh here and you'll see the new gateway. Gateway number 2. And that's that. Up and running. So that concludes my video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to get all the latest technology tips, and to visit my website at TW-Waytek.com, where you'll find even more tips and tricks. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.